In this video, we're talking about relationship status and specifically how to use it inside PulsePoint HQ to organize your database the way Ninja Selling recommends. This concept is covered in chapter 31 of the book Ninja Selling under categorizing your database. The categories break down like this. A's are your biggest advocates. They proactively refer you without being asked. B's are your fans. They'll refer you when asked, but aren't as proactive as your A's. C's know, like, and trust you. They'll use you when they're ready, but they haven't referred others to you yet. And D's are the people you want to meet and build a relationship with. PulsePoint HQ uses the same ABCD framework, plus a stop symbol for contacts who are stored in your database but are not considered marketing contacts or part of your sphere of influence. Maybe it's a lender, an inspector, or a past client who moved out of your service area. They're in your system, but they're not in your marketing rotation. And if you haven't assigned a relationship status to a contact yet, that's completely fine. The field simply remains unset until you're ready to categorize them. To assign or update a relationship status, open any individual contact record and find the relationship status field. Select whichever relationship status applies and save your changes. That's it. Want to update the contacts you haven't assigned a relationship status with? No problem. Choose Update My Database, and from the drop-down menu, select Households with Empty Relationship Status. This shows you every contact in your database who hasn't been assigned a relationship status yet. I recommend working through this list regularly, especially as your database of contacts grows. Keeping everyone categorized ensures your marketing is reaching the right people at the right frequency and that nobody is just sitting in your database unnoticed. Now, let me show you where this gets powerful, because filtering your contacts by relationship status is what takes this from a simple organizational tool to a genuinely useful way to segment and target your marketing and personal outreach. From your contacts page, open the filter options and choose relationship status. From here, you can select one or multiple categories at once: A, B, C, D, not applicable, or unset. And your contact list will immediately update to show only those contacts. Let me walk you through some real examples of how I use this. Say I want to schedule one-on-ones with my top referrers this month. I filter to A. Right away, I can see exactly who my biggest advocates are and how many of them there are. These are the people I'm reaching out to personally. A coffee, a lunch, a quick phone call. This filter gives me my targeted list without having to scroll through my entire database to find them. Now say I'm planning a client appreciation event and I want to invite everyone who knows me, likes me, and would do business with me. I filter to A, B, and C. I select all of these contacts. From bulk actions, I choose export contacts. Select the name and email fields for both contact 1 and contact 2 and export. Now I have a clean list ready to upload into Evite or whatever invitation platform I'm using to send out those invitations. For postcard campaigns, the process is just as simple. Say I want to make sure everyone with a relationship status of A, B, C, or D is receiving both postcard campaigns every month. I filter to A, B, C, and D. Select all contacts, go to bulk actions, choose edit postcards, check both the buyer postcard campaign and the seller postcard campaign and hit apply. Every contact in those categories is now set to receive 24 postcard touches per year automatically. Now, here's one of my personal favorite ways to use relationship status, and that's planning Pop Bys. I'm going to go a little in depth here, just be forewarned. If I'm preparing Pop Bys for my top referrers and advocates, I filter to A and B. This immediately tells me exactly how many Pop Bys I need to prepare. Then I select all contacts, go to bulk actions, choose export contacts, and select contact 1 name along with the street address, city, state, and zip code. Export that file. Now, open Google Maps on your computer. Select the menu and go to Saved, then Maps, then Open My Maps. Select Create a New Map And from the untitled layer, select Import. Choose your exported file from PulsePoint HQ. You'll be asked to select the columns that identify the location. Choose street address, city, state, and zip. Then choose the name column as the title and select Finish. You now have every A and B contact in your database mapped and ready for Pop By delivery. Give the map a name, something like June Pop Bys. Select Share, set it to anyone with the link can view, and copy that link. Now email it to yourself or save it on your phone. The next time you're out driving where several of your A's and B's live, pull up that map and knock out a few Pop Bys while you're already in the area. Being able to view and segment your database by relationship status means your marketing and personal outreach can be intentional, not just broad. The right effort towards the right group at the right frequency. That's what relationship status makes possible inside PulsePoint HQ. And that's exactly what ninja selling has taught you to do.